अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज के इस वीडियो में हम माय इंग्लिश कोर्स बुक स्टैंडर्ड 10th का लेसन नंबर 3.1 इफ़ पोयम का राइटिंग स्किल्स देखने जा रहे हैं। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना। सो लेट्स बिगिन। राइटिंग स्किल्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, write a letter to a parents thanking them for advising you. When you were in a confused state of mind, cover up the following points in the body of the letter. ये क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या कह रहा है कि आप जब जहनी अबतरी या तज़ब्ज़ब की हालत में जब आप कंफ्यूज रहते हैं, जब आप कंफ्यूज थे, इस वक्त आपके वालिदैन ने यानी आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको जो नसीहत की थी, नसीहत यानी आपको जो समझाया था, एडवाइस किया था, इसके लिए उन्हें शुक्रिया का ख़त लिखी। तो आपको जो इसके लिए आपको जो उन्हें एक लेटर लिखना है और ये कुछ पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं। तो इस लेटर में आपको ये पॉइंट्स जो ऐड करना है, कौन से हैं वो पॉइंट्स। पॉइंट 1, योर प्रॉब्लम एंड कन्फ्यूज़न। पॉइंट 2, द एडवाइस ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स। पॉइंट 3, हाउ यू फॉलोवेड देयर एडवाइस। पॉइंट 4, हाउ द प्रॉब्लम गॉट सॉल्वेड। नंबर 5, यूर डीप ग्रेटिट्यूड टू देम। देखिए इस तरीके से आपको लेटर लिखना है। आंसर, प्रथमेश 10 KBP बॉयज़ हॉस्टल सतारा, पिन कोड दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर 415001, 23 नवंबर 2019। डियर आई एंड बाबा, आई एम एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी टू राइट दिस लेटर एंड थैंक बोथ ऑफ you for your good advice. Actually, when I joined the hostel, I was not willing to stay here any longer. I could not adjust to the environment and even with the boys here. But in Diwali vacation, you both convinced me and told me how to mingle with the boys here and even how to get accustomed to the environment here. So now I am quite sure that I would live here happily. Whatever advice you have given is definitely good for me. When I come back here, the whole scenario of the hostel and my preconceptions about the hostel life got totally changed. Why? I don't know, but no, I am very much happy to live here and intermingle with my hostel mates. If you had not advised me on this issue, I would have left the hostel long before and my whole academic year would have gone wasted. Thank you very much for making me realize the importance of education and adjustment in the life. Thank you once again for whatever you have done for me. Convey my regards to grandma and love to little Preksha. Waiting for your next letter as early as possible. You are lovingly soon, Prathamesh. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, ड्राफ्ट अ स्पीच टू बी गिवन ड्राइविंग द फेयरवेल फॉर स्टैंडर्ड 10th ऑन द टॉपिक चेंजेस आई वुड लाइक इन द स्कूल एजुकेशन ऑफ आवर स्टेट। स्टेप्स आपको दिए हुए हैं, ग्रेटिंग एंड सॉल्यूशन, सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड introduction of the topic, a catchy thought, episode news extra to start with, 2 to 3 changes that you suggest and their reasons, conclusion that you getting. आंसर आपको देखिए इस तरीके से लिखना है, changes I would like in school education of our state. Honorable chairperson, respected headmaster and teachers, I am Nikita Desai from Standard 10th A, wishing you a very pleasant morning. I am here to express my views on behalf of all my classmates of Standard 10th and to bid farewell to our school, teachers and all of you. After spending almost 12 years in the school, we are now capable to keep our steps out in a very different world. And I am sure, being the students of this school, we would never fall short anywhere and in any field. I know the chief guest of today's program is the Education Minister of our state. So I take this opportunity to suggest some changes I would like to have in the school education of our state. So I take this opportunity to suggest some changes I would like to have in the school education of our state. The first and very important thing I would recommend is about the option. There should be internal option to each and every subject. The child should be free to opt whatever she or she likes. Teaching and learning process should not be monotonous. It should be interesting. Every child should take part in this process. Teacher should not be an authoritarian. One more thing I would suggest about the examination. Examination should not be mandatory. Even upgradation of a child should be based on his her internal performance. Written examination should not be given the full credit. There should not be a burden of homework. It should be done at school. I know it is quite difficult to implement everything all of a sudden, but if you go step by step, it is quite a feasible suggestion. I know education in Maharashtra is really good compared to other states, but if we make these changes, teaching and learning will be more enjoyable. I hope you will try to understand the views of every child. Wishing my friends all the best for their examination and for their bright future life. Thank you for listening to my carefully and attentively. Jai Hind.